Hello, this is Adira47 over here, and today I'll be going to show you how to tune up your PC. I am pretty sure that this will increase your system performance. First, you need to install a software known as TuneUp Utilities 2010. An older version is allowed to be installed, but I recommend using TuneUp Utilities 2010. I have provided the link in the description. After your installation, you start TuneUp Utilities 2010. This is the main screen home page of TuneUp Utilities 2010. After install, it will show certain problems and certain tips for increasing your performance. For increasing performance, you need to just click on, there will be a link over here. Just click on it. For me, there are no recommendations. I am changing the profile, but you need to create a profile. You may keep it on maximum performance. It's not showing any recommendations for me, but it will ask you for this. It will show you recommendations for display effects and animation effects. I recommend closing it, but if you have a good config for your PC, not optimizing the display effects and animation effects will also increase the performance for your PC. You may also need to fix the problems shown here. That's not a big deal. Next is the most important step to be carried out, which is closing out that is disabling certain unwanted services provided by Windows XP. I will at the end of the video, I will be showing you the certain services for Windows 7 or Windows Vista. You need to go to Control Panel, Administrative Tools, Component Services, and click on Services. The easiest way is Start, Run, services.msc. The best way to come to services. These are the services according to me which are waste and just they reduce your performance. So the first service to be disabled is application layer gateway service. Right click on it, properties, status type disabled, apply. I have done it already, but I am showing you once again. Second is the automatic updates. If you are a genuine user or you still need the updates, please do not close the automatic update service. But according to me, it takes a lot of your internet resource, which will slow down your net speed to a great extent. But if you want to continue with your automatic updates, do not disable application layer gateway, background internet transfer service, and help and support and error reporting service. It's recommended you do not disable or your updates won't take place. But if you are not using automatic updates, you may disable background internet transfer service, cryptographic services. Oh, I have not disabled it. Next is the error reporting service. If you are a noob and you don't know how to use the PC, please do not disable the help and support. I recommend please do not disable the help and support service. Next is the indexing service. Next we jump to net logon, net meeting. I am not able to see the service, but there is another service known as the net meeting remote desktop sharing. That service also needs to be disabled. Next is the remote registry service. Next we jump on to TCP IP NetBIOS helper. System restore service takes a lot of space, so I recommend disabling it. I recommend disable the system restore service. Next is wireless zero configuration and uninterruptible power supply. These services need to be disabled on Windows XP, and I am 100% sure that it will really increase your performance to a great extent. Another way is by clicking right click on properties. This is now advanced performance. If your PC does not have a great configuration, so you may also do this, adjust for best performance and apply. It will create a good environment for your PC. These are the services that need to be disabled on Windows 7. I'll be showing it in the description too. Please note it down. Next one is for Windows XP. This will be also given in the description. I will also provide the link for TuneUp utilities in the description. Please rate and comment, and any problems contact kgiyer@chatchitu.com. Thank you.